Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to unbox Asus ExpertBook laptop, and it's the model P2451F. So first you will get here search of Incredible, and here is the branding of Asus, and here are the brands which tells about it. And friends, the price of the laptop is 83,500. So let's unbox it and see how do they give it. You will get the branding of In Search of Incredible. And it's the laptop. Here is the branding of Asus that attracts it. Here the napkin. Let's keep it aside and see inside of it. And in this you can put extra chips in it. Here and here you will get its charger. It is of 65 volt. You get Asus branding here. So let's keep it aside and open the laptop. Friends, we have opened the laptop, and here is the attraction of lights, and it folds up to 180 degrees, so it's very good. And here you get the screen cursor. You can move it aside, and here you get fingerprints. If you put your finger at it, so it will open. And friends, it's the camera. You can use it in meeting. If we do it aside, so the camera will be off, and now the camera will be on. And there are two speakers which can help you to say your voice. Friends, it is a good laptop overall. You can buy it at good price. It's better. Here is the attraction of lights, and you get one extra button here, FN plus ESC. It's mean lock. Here is Intel Core 1 i7 chip in it. So overall it's a better laptop. Thank you and have a nice day.